Brussels on the hit list. EU leaders denounced to slander UK jab as a dirty revengeful action. Senior European leaders have been accused of having blood on their hands, as a result of misleading claims made about the Oxford-AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine. Independent studies have shown the UK-developed AstraZeneca jab is safe, and highly effective at preventing COVID-19 hospitalizations and deaths. However, key figures such as French President Emmanuel Macron were quick to question the validity of the AstraZeneca vaccine, and at one point falsely claimed the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine is quasi-ineffective on people older than 65, some say those 60 years or older. European Commission Chief Ursula von der Leyen said an existing deal with BioNTech/Pfizer has been extended to double the number of doses supplied to the bloc to 600 million. The EU's medicines regulator also approved squeezing 6 doses out of every BioNTech/Pfizer vial instead of 5, potentially increasing the number of injections on offer by 20%. At the same time, BioNTech said early data showed its product was effective against coronavirus variants dominating in the UK and South Africa that are believed to be highly contagious. Writing in the Sunday Times, author Brian Appleyard picked apart the bloc for its attitude towards the jab. He wrote, "A British government official has been quoted as saying, 'The European leaders who trashed the AstraZeneca vaccine have blood on their hands.' This must be true. The delays will have led to deaths and the false accusations will have discouraged people from having the jab. Furthermore, all those pathetic, gullible anti-vaxxers will be reveling in any news that there's something wrong with the science." In Britain, Europe's worst-hit country after Russia, the Moderna vaccine was added to the inoculation drive alongside the BioNTech/Pfizer and Oxford/AstraZeneca ones already authorized. Von der Leyen admitted a bumpy road at the start of the vaccine rollout in the EU's 27 nations and spoke of more difficult months ahead to get it on track. But overall, she insisted, her Commission's strategy to snap up orders last year for half a dozen vaccines unproven at the time had been the right one, done in the teeth of fierce global competition. As a result, there were enough doses secured of the 2 vaccines currently authorized in the bloc, the ones from BioNTech/Pfizer and Moderna, to vaccinate 380 million Europeans, and this is more than 80% of the European population, she said. Commenting on low vaccination rates in Africa despite the effectiveness of the jab, the author added, "How has this happened?" That anonymous official seemed pretty sure it is all down to the EU, they did it out of spite for Britain because of Brexit. Unlike some of its rivals, AstraZeneca sold jabs at cost price, making no profit from the transactions. In April, the EU launched legal action against AstraZeneca, arguing it had failed to meet its contract for coronavirus vaccines. The British-Swedish company hit back, claiming the litigation is without merit and insisting they delivered to the EU in line with our forecast. According to the Daily Telegraph, AstraZeneca is now exploring options for its coronavirus vaccine business, which could lead to a trade sale. Ruud Dobber, who leads AstraZeneca's biopharmaceuticals team, has admitted the company is exploring different options over its future work on vaccines. Pharmaceutical industry expert Anna Bulland warned the company could end up leaving the sector. She commented, "The damage caused by Europe's assault on AstraZeneca is now becoming clear.